What's going on YouTube? How to make money, side money, income using Craigslist. Today I found an ad on Craigslist about tree branches fell over because of the tropical storm we had last night. And now I'm picking up tree branches. And I got a helper picking up, throwing in my van. My van's back there. So brought my own rake, my own reciprocating saw. I got a leaf blower, trash bag, and just gotta clean up for the landlord over here. So hopefully make more money, more future business with the landlord here. But yeah, if you wanna make money, just go on Craigslist, look up in a gig labor, and whoever need help, just email them, call them. Hopefully you get the job. Like this morning I woke up and I got this job. Now I'm getting to it. So this is the finish of cleaning up the fallen tree branches. As you can see, nice and clean. So it's time to get paid. Send a text message and tell the landlord we're done. Just help you out making side money, extra income, side gig. Go on Craigslist or social media, Facebook Marketplace, whatever. If you do landscaping, I really don't do landscape, but you know, I had nothing to do today. I saw a job, labor. I said, fuck it, might as well do it. I got the tools, right? So yeah. What's going on? So like I was saying, doing the tree branch removal. So I'm dumping it over here. They charge me $30 to dispose it, so not bad. So I should have my helper help me, but I dropped them off. So anyways, I gotta get it done, almost done. Alright, so yeah, just wanna show you the drop off right here. And that's it. That's how you do your side gig, make extra income on the side. So yeah, thanks for watching with your van.